Hi guys, warm welcome to today's Marketing Cloud demo. Um, my name is Harshit Suri and I am 4X certified Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer. And I have more than 5 years of experience specifically working on Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and I'm working as a marketing automation consultant. So guys, let's start with let's start with what is marketing cloud, and we will proceed further with what things we can do on marketing cloud, why there is a specific need for marketing cloud. So guys, with the name marketing cloud, you must be aware, or you must be having a clue that it is used for marketing, because in the name only you will find this marketing keyword. So guys, what type of marketing we can do with marketing cloud? We know that we can do marketing by our own. We have a concept of digital marketing as well. So what else marketing cloud provides, so that there is so much hype of this product? More and more people want to learn this product and grow their careers. So why there is so much hype related to marketing cloud, though we already have plenty of concepts of marketing, like like digital marketing and all. So why there is need that we have a different product for marketing, which is called a Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and you and it has a lot of hype in the market. So guys, before understanding Salesforce Marketing Cloud, let's try to understand the ways of marketing which we used to do and which we evolved using a modern way of techniques now. So guys, earlier we were doing marketing because marketing is the key to business. It helps to grow your business. It helps to reach more and more customers and make them aware and educate about your products and services. So this marketing concept is not a new concept, guys. When there is a business, there is a marketing, and when there was a business, there was a marketing. So in traditional ways, like 20 years ago, 15 to 20 years ago, when we were kids, actually we still saw brands doing marketing. So how that marketing is different from today's era marketing, we will try to see. So guys, earlier we saw that plenty of people or plenty of shops around our streets used to display some advertisements on signals or any blocks or any area in your locality. They used to distribute some pamphlets, or if they want to go with aggressive marketing, then they I should say, they go on television, on local TV channels, and they display their advertisement there. So guys, that was a traditional way of marketing. It was actually a one-way marketing where people were doing marketing, but they failed to get user inputs. So if somebody distributed pamphlet, even if you want his products and services, but with some customizations, you want to give him a feedback so that he can customize his product or services as per his need, that was not possible actually, because distributing pamphlets will only give the persona of his mind who is running a shop. It will not capture the persona of customers who are actually going to utilize that product into their day-to-day life, which is being sold by that shopkeeper. So guys, traditional way of marketing was a one-way marketing where people promoted their brands or services with traditional methods, but they failed to get user inputs, and due to which they were not efficient in customizing their products and services based on the user inputs or user feedbacks. So guys, with the evolution of technology, we saw that smartphones getting affordable day by day. Okay, now every day more and more people are joining this revolution and are becoming smart using a smart device. So guys, we all have we all have a smart device. We all use Facebook, Twitter, we all use Google, we all use a lot of apps. So guys, the physical store we had is now present as an e-commerce store somewhere into the digital world. No matter if he don't have a huge budget, still he will be available to accept orders from WhatsApp. Still you will be able to WhatsApp him, to send him his catalog, and you can choose the products and services you have. If he is bit smart, he will run his own e-commerce website. In e-commerce website, he will ask customers to provide feedbacks as well. If he if he is even more smarter, then he will not only rely on e-commerce website, but he will try to do digital marketing from social media, Instagram channels. Again it got again after doing social after doing marketing on social media in the Instagram channels, it will again start to receive a user input. User will go and comment, will give positive feedbacks, will give negative feedbacks, will discuss about its products and services, will inquire about its products and services. So all the people who have shifted their presence digitally, who are using digital devices like phone, tablets, laptops, desktops, are now communicating with the brand on day-to-day basis. So, guys, every shop which was traditionally a local shop in our street has went online and has shown and is present digitally. That means people who are using smart devices can go and visit that shop digitally. And when people go and visit that shop digitally, they generate a lot of data. Every activity you do on digital platforms will generate a lot of data. Take for an example, you went to Amazon and you searched for a product. Okay, you went on Amazon, you searched for a product. Suppose I want to search for a Levi's jeans that is of black color. I went on Amazon, I signed into my Amazon's app. I searched for a black Levi's jeans. I really found that wonderful and I wanted to buy that, so I kept it in my cart. Later sometime, I got a call from my father and my attention was distracted. I had to go for an urgent work and work with my father. So for some times I kept that product into the Flipkart or Amazon carts, and I didn't purchase that product. So what Amazon did here is Amazon was able to understand that Harshit or you as a visitor came on their platform, you searched certain keywords, you finalized one or two products and you placed into the cart. That means that is your interest area. So Amazon has stored this data for your activity which you performed on their website. Now they will utilize this data to customize their products and services, or customize not products and services but to customize its marketing strategy here. So what Amazon will do, it will wait for 15-20 minutes, and if it don't find any further activity from you or from me, it will club all the products, all the keywords into a single email. It will drop you an email stating, "Hi Harshit, this was the Levi's jeans you kept in the cart. Here is the payment link. You can still proceed with the payment of this product from your email. Here is your customized payment link." Also, if you want to see more similar products like you have searched it, you can find some related products below, and below you will find more black color jeans of different brands. So Amazon not only read our data, not only captured our activity, it customized its marketing effort with the help of recommending certain products to us. So how that recommendation, how Amazon was able to recommend few more products. Okay, you don't want to purchase this black color Levi's jeans which you have kept into cart. We have more options: black color flying machine jeans, black color Wrangler jeans, black color other brand jeans within same price range. So it will give you some more recommended product suggestions into the same email which it has sent initially, for abandoning your cart or leaving some product into the cart. So guys, with the help of digital presence of any particular brand, people go and generate a lot of data. people do surf their online presence, whether it is a form of app or it is a form of whether it is in a form of app or it is in a form of website or anywhere in social media or anywhere. If a brand is located digitally, people surf that presence and people generate data. That generate data we should be able to capture to do a data driven marketing. So guys, earlier we were doing traditional marketing. Then we switched to digital marketing because we got present digitally. So we thought to actually create 2 3 social media pages. Okay, drop some I should say ads, post some ads to drive more engagement of customers. So that was then after traditional marketing, we switched to digital marketing. Now, after digital marketing, we saw that people who are coming on our brand's presence digitally are generating a lot of data. So why not to read that data and customize marketing for every individual? So it developed a new concept of marketing which is called as data driven marketing. So guys, data driven marketing is a type of marketing which is used to optimize brands communications based on the customer information. For example, guys, if Amazon knows that 40% of this population who are their subscribers are female and 60% of populations who are their subscribers are male, and when Amazon will launch a new product, suppose in future, when Amazon launches a cosmetic brand in future, Amazon will try to gather the data which is generated by people on their system to check how many people are female and how many people are male, so that it can create a proper segment of subscribers it has to promote that cosmetics product. So guys, with every effort it costs money, every marketing effort it costs money. So if Amazon went to promote the cosmetic brand to 60% of male population without analyzing the data of the customers who are visiting on day-to-day basis on their website, it will end up into a huge loss, because hardly any male population will buy I should say a cosmetic brand. All the cosmetic brands are actually a women-centric brand. So it is good to send to target a particular women segment of subscriber rather than men subscriber, because with the data getting generated, we know that women are most likely to buy that cosmetic brand than men. Some men can buy in the form of gift, but uh, but that would be a very low conversion rate. From 60% of male population, it is a chance to get only 1% of conversion rate. 1% of people will only 1% of men can buy the cosmetic brand, but rest 59% of the people I don't think will buy a cosmetic brand. So if Amazon is capable, it will try to analyze the data available and it will check how many female population are there, and it will again deep dive into that female population percentage. Suppose it got 40% female population percentage, now it will again deep dive to check how many or how much percentage of young population between I should say 16 to 40 45 years of age, our women uh, how many women out of those 40% are the young age group women between 15 to 45%. Amazon will try to segment that particular segment out of those 40% of women who is most likely to purchase its product. So guys, with the help of data driven marketing, we will be able to analyze the data which is getting generated by people day to day on our brand's presence on the digital platform or system we have designed. and we can use that data to predict customer needs, desires, and future behaviors. It helps to create personalized marketing strategies which will return highest possible return on investment. So guys, analyzing a data and making decisions on data is a key in today's era, because every marketing people are doing or brands are doing nowadays are a data driven marketing approach. Okay, people want to understand the customer's behavior, people want to understand customers insights, people wants to get more and more customers feedback in order to customize their products and services as well as marketing strategies to get more return on investment. So guys, after traditional marketing we saw digital marketing evolved, then after digital marketing we saw data driven marketing got evolved. So guys, there was a need where we had to automate the process. For example, take the same example of Amazon. Amazon is a global brand, and not only two or three people will go and visit Amazon at a time, but it will receive millions of traffic at a single minute on its website. So guys, sending this abundant cart email, somebody has left some product into the cart and he has not proceeded with the purchase. So Amazon, if suppose wants to send abundant cart emails to everybody who has abandoned the cart, then it would be difficult for them to design email, compile it, and send individually. Because the next second it will get next set of subscribers, the very next minute it will get a new set of subscribers who are doing abandoned cart. So it is nearly impossible for Amazon without any automation to to compile, write the emails specifically for them, because everybody will have different products into their cards, and the product recommendation will also be based on the products they have put into the cart. So somebody has put, suppose, a mobile phone into the cart, you can't promote him a jeans. Some women put some cosmetic product into the cart, you can't promote her a laptop. So guys, it would be nearly difficult for Amazon to develop individual emails every second and send it to millions of customers. Here, there has to be a single dynamic email which is capable to read the data of every individual who is interacting with our brand digitally. That single email should be capable to populate the dynamic contents based on that user's activity, any user's activity for him, and should automatically trigger an email in his inbox within 20 to 25 minutes of abundant cart. So guys, with the data driven marketing, Amazon is able to analyze the data, okay, and it is able to create a dynamic email, a single dynamic email, uh, which will be able to populate the data of a particular person dynamically. But guys, in order to send that email automatically, there is a concept which Amazon follows, which is known as marketing automation, guys. So guys, after traditional marketing, we saw digital marketing. With digital marketing, we saw a new era called data-driven marketing. The present era is of data-driven marketing. So with data-driven marketing, we found that there should be some automated process which is compiling the data in real time and sending automatically to the intended audience, to the right audience at right time. Because if you don't in, communicate your audience at the right time, you can't convert that audience into your customer, or you can't sell any product to him. So you should define such a process that whenever an whenever a person tries to perform something on your brand's presence, you should be able to reach him personally via email, SMS, or any other channel at the right time and at the right place. so that you can convince him to buy your products and services, and you will get your return on investment. So guys, we were able to analyze the data using data driven marketing, but there was a need to automate the process, because we have to reach our customers at the right time. If I am searching and Levi's jeans now, you can't send me a recommendation email day after tomorrow. You have to send me an email within 20-30 minutes of my activity, because it will drive me to purchase that product, because I was actually searching for that product, something I already had in my mind. So in order to drive that purchase, you can reach me at the right time, so that I can 100% make up my mind and go and purchase that product. So you have to reach your customer at right place at right time with right message as well. As I told, if somebody is if some women, our women friends are searching some cosmetic products on Amazon, you can't send a product recommendation email of a laptop or a mobile. It has to be any other cosmetic brand within the same range she is searching from the Amazon's website. So guys, with the marketing automation, you will able to leverage the power of data-driven marketing to analyze the data, and you will automatically be able to reach the customers at right time, at right place, with with right production messages. So guys, this was the concept of marketing automation, which is evolved after we saw a need of data-driven marketing. So guys, what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud now? Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a platform which is built on Salesforce number one CRM platform. We all know what is Salesforce. It is a number one CRM platform in the world. This Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a B2C marketing automation platform which is provided by Salesforce. B2C means business to consumers or customers, you can say. I am a business, I want to reach a lot of customers. So it is a B2C marketing automation platform. It is not digital marketing, guys. It is, there is no concept of digital marketing getting applied here. This is marketing automation platform. Marketing automation platform means that it facilitates data-driven marketing. You will be able to analyze the data, predict the behavior of a customer, analyzing the data, and can take next best action. Okay, and can take next best action. What is next best action, guys? Somebody searched a product, didn't purchase, the next best action is to send him email. Or somebody has purchased a product, send him an invoice along with a feedback link. So these are the next best actions you can take reading a data. somebody wanted Somebody wanted to make a payment, but its payment was not successful. You can remarket that product, and you can resend a payment link to him immediately, analyzing that data. Some banks wants to promote new products and services in the form of loan to their existing customers. You will be able to get the data of the customers who are likely to buy that product by using segmentation power of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and you will be able to reach the right segment of the bank's customer. So like Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a B2C marketing automation platform. It delivers personalized customer engagement on every channel from email to web, mobile, social, digital advertising. So guys, you will be able to analyze the data, and you will be able to reach your customers digitally with every channel: email, web, mobile, social, digital advertising. So all the channel which you can use to reach your customers digitally, you will be able to reach on Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So guys, it enables you to know your customer, personalize with intelligence, and engage across entire journey. So guys, Salesforce Marketing Cloud is an artificial intelligence powered platform which will help you to read the data of a customer and implement artificial intelligence. We saw that the product recommendation email was sent by Amazon. So that email, the recommended product was actually an AI capability which searched the product using certain keywords which were searched by a particular person on their website. They gathered those keywords, and with the help of AI, they were able to find the appropriate product from the huge catalog of Amazon within fraction of time, and it sent to remarket using a product recommendation email to that customer. So guys, Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a B2C marketing automation platform. You will be able to store the data, read the data, analyze the data, and you can take the next best actions. You can personalize your contents, the contents, personalizing contents like creating dynamic contents. Every content will show some related content as per customer. Okay, you will be able to reach your customers with every channel like mobile, web, social, digital advertising, as well as you will have a power of artificial intelligence for to leverage product recommendation concepts to your customer. So I hope you understand what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud, guys. So guys, with the help of Marketing Cloud, what all things we can do? We can not only read the data, analyze the data, and send to our customers. We can not only uh, use the artificial intelligence capabilities of Marketing Cloud to do some product recommendation, but we can set up a two-way real-time communication with our customers. Suppose yeah, what is two-way real-time communication, guys? Suppose let's say, let's try to understand with an example that suppose a big billion day sale is coming and it is launched by Flipkart. We all know every year near Diwali occasion a big billion day sale um, is generated, I should say, or is promoted by Flipkart. So at that big billion day sale, before 10-15 days, we keep on getting messages in order to get early access for that sale. Please opt in. Okay, they send you message that in order to get early access to the sale, they will provide some benefits of early access of the sale, like you will get 20% discount, no hidden products, you will get top performing products on the top, delivery will be in 1 or 2 days. All these are the benefits of the sale, and they want certain customers to opt in to get the early access. To opt in, they receive a message. In that message, they provide a keyword which you have to write and reply them back so that you will be opted in for that sale. So suppose Flipkart sent you a message that reply big billion day BBD to 57575. So if you reply BBD to 57575, they will make opt in you in their big billion day sale, and when that big billion day sale is launched, they will send they will send you the communication and will send those benefits which they have highlighted. So guys, Flipkart tried to market here and tried to take your consent, your opt-in as well. So it established a two-way real-time communication where one communication was sent by Flipkart and it is asking you to opt in. And when you have opted in, then it will again send you a thank you message that thank you for opting in. You will be notified before 2 hours, 3 hours when the sale will go live. So this is a real-time communication, guys, which you are doing, which you can establish using Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So you can not only reach your customers with across every channel with Marketing Cloud, you will be able to establish two-way real-time engagements. So guys, every engagement you do with Marketing Cloud, you will be able to measure and report or track that activity. So you send me suppose an email from Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud is such a capable system that it will understand who have opened the email or who have opened the email and who have clicked any link into that email. So every user activity, whether it is opening an email or clicking an email, is captured or is tracked by Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So based on its tracking, you can customize your products and services. In order to track, you have to generate a report, and and you generated a report and you found that few people are not actually opening your email, you can resend those emails with new eye-catching subject lines or new relevant content to them, or you can remove those people who have not been engaging with your communication from past 6 months. So you can define different strategies, take different actions based on the tracking data available. So you can not only establish two-way real-time communication with Marketing Cloud, you can measure, optimize the marketing performance, pulling marketing reports. You also have a facility to leverage data and style artificial intelligence to make every interaction relevant. We saw a great example of artificial intelligence powered platform Marketing Cloud that is sending some product recommendation emails. So all the product recommendation emails you get are actually clubbed by the Einstein feature of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, clubbed together by AI, and it clubbed based on the keywords which you have tried to search on their brand. And from the huge catalog, it has tried to pull some best recommended products, best suitable products which resembles the product which you have kept into the cart. So guys, Marketing Cloud is a B2C automation, marketing automation platform. It is so powerful that it will drive numerous amount of engagements with your customers. You can engage your customers in any other way, one or other way. You have to be creative to define strategy. You have to have a knowledge to implement that strategy technically on Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and you have a power of artificial intelligence to make every interaction relevant and intelligent. So guys, after getting to know brief on Marketing Cloud, let's see how Marketing Cloud looks and what all things we have into our Salesforce Marketing Cloud platform. So mc.exacttarget.com will be the Salesforce Marketing Cloud URL, which we will go and open. mc.exacttarget.com is the URL of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. We will go and we will write our username and password. This account is actually not free, guys, and in order to push your career forward, you have to get this access and practice. So we will be providing 2 months of access to this platform, guys, free of cost with the training. So guys, you have to put username and password. There is no sign up button for Marketing Cloud. You have to basically purchase the license of Salesforce, but we will be creating a user for you into this platform free of cost for 2 months in order for you to practice. So guys, after we have opened Marketing Cloud, we will see Marketing Cloud is divided between studios and builders. These all are the studios and these all are the builders. But studios are the channels which you will be able to reach your customers, like email studio, mobile studio. In order to reach your customers via email, you will use email studio. In order to reach your customers via mobile, you will reach mobile studio. Socially, social studio, advertising studio to advertise, web studio to create browser rendered contents. Anything which opens on browser is a browser rendered content, and you will be capable to use, you will be able to use web studio in order to create browser rendered content. We have interaction studio. Later we have certain builders called analytics builder, journey builder, content builder, audience builder. We have Salesforce Einstein, which is an artificial intelligence platform. We have some more activities into Marketing Cloud. But guys, basically Marketing Cloud is divided into studios and builders. Studios defines the channel you want to reach your customers and the content you want to create and reach to your customer, and builders define how to define your strategy, how to analyze the data, read the data from your system, and how to define a strategy to reach your customer. Suppose we want to reach our customers using email. In email, we we can create not only simple emails but dynamic emails. Guys, main this this platform is actually a huge platform where you won't be creating any static emails. You will be creating dynamic emails which changes the value based on the data available, based on the customer's data available. For creating dynamic emails, we will require knowledge of AMP script that we will be giving free of cost, dedicated sessions in our tutorial. This type of email, guys, we are going to create, which contains dynamic codes. This type of code, when when this email is sent to customer, it will change based on the data available for our customer. This is how we create a dynamic email using some scripting. This is an AMP script which we have used. Suppose if this email is received by a particular customer, it will change the data. Suppose it got received by a customer 05. This is a dummy value here. It so it will change the data that customer 05 purchased a drone. It was of 23,000. Here is a drone image. This can become more beautiful, guys. But this is the first example which I wanted to show. I this email was only worked on functionality part, not the design part. We will be creating more interactive designs here. But guys, based on the customer value, we are able to change the value, the email value. So guys, this is a dynamic email. Now we got a value customer 04. He has purchased earphone, bill amount 1200. His image was not found. If we switch a new customer 03, he has purchased bag, product value 5,000. So guys, we can build such invoices into email studio. Not only invoices, you have hundreds of different ideas which you can code and build into email studio, and the same template will dynamically change the values. The same template will dynamically change the values of the email content. So here we saw customer 03 has purchased a bag worth 5,000, and here is the bag image. Let's try to see customer 02 has purchased mobile 25,000. So based on the customer values, this email is getting changed. Also, we discussed email studio. We have discussed web studio, where we will be able to design browser rendered contents like this. If we click here, we will get a survey page. This survey page is actually having a URL and is rendering on browser. And whenever this customer 05 clicks this survey page, whenever this customer 05 clicks this survey page, automatically his first name, last name is displayed, and system will ask you to rate him. This rating we will again get stored locally into Marketing Cloud. So what is happening here, guys? We are able to design a system or design an invoice using some AMP script technology, which help us to read the data available within our system and compile that data as per the user requirement. Also, it provides a survey or feedback form which renders on browser. This renders on browser, but this also is using some dynamic content, guys, because first name last name is already populated. So whichever customer will open this survey form, his details will be pre-populated. So this is actually a cloud page which we have built, guys. This is actually a cloud page which we have built using the web studio. This is a cloud page which we have built using a web studio, which is also displaying customer specific contents. So guys, with the help of email, we will be able to create dynamic emails. This is a simple dynamic email example, but I will show you more dynamic email examples. If you go to Point 6 Kuber, this email, if you look, this is a nicely created dynamic email. In this email, I am getting all the stocks which I have subscribed to receive a newsletter on day-to-day basis. It contains all the performance of the Bitcoins which I have subscribed to get information on daily basis about their performance in the market. This has provided more type of Bitcoins which are into profit and into loss. So guys, these all Bitcoins are not the random Bitcoins, but the Bitcoins which I have subscribed. If you also go and subscribe, and if you also give your preference to send information on certain Bitcoins only, the same email template when sent to you will display the data according to your need which you have subscribed. So this is actually a data driven marketing template or email template using a scripting language called mscript, which dynamically is changing the value based on the customer behavior or customer's data available with us. So with the help of email studio, we will be able to create interactive email content. With the help of web studio, we will be able to create interactive web content, data driven web content. We have mobile studio. In mobile studio, we have three features: mobile connect. This mobile connect is used to send SMS and MMSs, dynamic SMS and MMS, guys, based on the customer's information. A mobile push, you will be able to send push notifications to your Android or iOS apps. You can integrate your Android iOS apps. So you must be, so not only guys simple push notifications, but you will get dynamic push notifications. Think of an example: you ordered an Uber or you ordered an Ola. Whenever you order, you will get a push notification that your driver is on the way. When the driver reaches near your geographical location, suppose 500 meters in radius, when he reaches, you will again get a push notification notifying that the driver is near your home and will be reaching shortly. This type of push notification is able to read the geographical location of the date of the driver, compiling and analyzing the data, and automatically sending a push notification to make you aware of of his progress. Similarly, when you order something from Zomato, they will send you an order confirmation notification. When that order is out of delivery, you will get a new push notification that it is out of delivery. In real time, you will be able to track him via a map. Okay, and when when the order is reached at your location, you will get another push notification that your order has reached your location. When the order is delivered, you will get another push notification, and then you will get another push notification to rate your delivery. So people are now changing from website to apps and app-based strategy. The most popular app-based strategy is to send push notifications. We not only can send simple push notifications, but we can also send geographical based push notification. Other example is somebody is traveling from the train and if he is using some app. So whenever he crosses a state, a new geographical location is pointed out and you will get an immediately customized SMS. Or you must have noticed that you went to a shopping center. There you went, suppose you went near to Pantaloons, or suppose you went near to Big Bazaar or any big lifestyle brand like Lifestyle and West End and all these brands. When suppose you visit, you will notice that automatically they will trigger you an SMS. Automatically they will trigger you an SMS because they have established a device which is called as beacon. Beacon reads the frequency of every mobile which comes in its radius, and whenever it is able to read that mobile, that beacon will try to send push notification or SMS on your mobile device. So with the help of mobile studio, we can send a real-time push notification, SMS, MMS. And the last feature in mobile studio is group connect. That means you will be able to reach your customers using Facebook messengers at the right time, or the Line app, or even you can integrate WhatsApp here. So guys, web social studio to reach your customers socially, advertising to advertise your ads. Web studio we saw. Interaction studio is to integrate your website and promote day-to-day transactions. Uh, Suppose you have an e-commerce website, somebody returned the product, somebody purchased the product, your product is out of delivery, you request a service on the product. So there are n number of scenarios which you have to send, on which you have to send communication to your customers. You can use Interaction Studio to integrate your big e-commerce full-fledged working website and facilitate transactions from here. We have analytics builder now. This analytics builder, we will see what kind of different reports we can create for marketing cloud. We have journey builder and automation studio. So we saw that we are able to read the data. Now it is requirement to automate our processes in order to achieve marketing automation. We have an automation studio where we have many deep conceptual activities which we will be looking into, and we will be defining the automation. We will be defining the automation to automate our day-to-day recurring tasks. These all are actually the automations, guys, which are already built into the system. This type of automation we will be able to create. This automation is containing a lot of activities which we will be creating to automate our processes. Here are the activities like data extract, data factory utility, file transfer, fire event, SQL script activity, SQL activity, push, send SMS, verification, wait. So all these are the automation studio basic components or activities which you will require to automate the recurring process. So automation studio is actually an ETL tool in marketing cloud, extract, transform, load tool, which will not only help you to extract the data, will help you to transform the data into different formats, and will help you to load the data from different locations. We also have journey builder in order to define a customer life cycle journey. Think of a company, you got a new job, guys. Suppose you got a new job, immediately HR will send you an offer letter, and it will give you 7 days to accept that offer letter. If you don't accept that offer letter for next 2 days, you will get a reminder email that your offer letter is still requiring your acceptance. Before the last day when your offer letter will expire, you will again get a reminder email. So suppose that day you accepted offer, then again you will get thank you for accepting offer. We really look forward to onboard you. That email you will get. After that, before the date of joining, you will get induction details. This will be your speaker. This is the dress code. This is the timing of induction. These are the agendas of induction. On the day you will again get, on the day of your joining, you will again get a joining email that today we will start induction. She will be speaker. When you have successfully been onboarded, you will get an onboarded confirmation email automatically that it is pleasure to have you onboarded in our company. Then after your onboarding is complete, you will again get a triggered email stating that this is finance department number, transport department number, this is your line manager number, this is your direct manager, this is your director, all this basic information. Submit your account details, this, that, everything formalities they will send email. Nobody is sending you manually, guys. You are getting everything system generated. Okay. Now after that, 1 week of your joining, you will get a feedback email to rate the overall experience. So guys, all these emails were a part of a journey. Journey means a series of steps which we create and define automated approach to solve a particular problem. So guys, the problem was to send plenty of emails to educate the newly onboarded member with the task he has to do in first initial days of his company. Suppose first week of his company. So guys, you have created a journey, you have created a series of steps, you have created some logics, you have created some automations. With that, you are able to read the data. Okay, customer has, okay, the person has not accepted the offer yet, send him a reminder. Okay, still he has not accepted the offer, send him again reminder. Oh, we got offer accepted. Okay, send him a thank you email. Okay, his joining date is coming, send him the induction email. Okay, he already got onboarded, send him the line manager details, finance details. Okay, 1 week passed, send him a feedback email. A series of emails are sent automatically based on the data available into our system, guys. So this is called as a journey. This we can call it onboarding journey. Similar to that, we have different type of journeys like sign up journey. Somebody clicked on sign up, you will send a sign up confirmation email to him. And suppose he has not verified that email, you or every time get a sign up confirmation email, and you will be asked to verify that. And suppose you haven't verified, the next day again you will get a verification email. You will keep on receiving verification email till the last day that verification expires. So this is actually a series of emails which is reading the data of a sign up and keep on sending to a customer until unless he verifies that email. So guys, with the help of Automation Studio, we'll be able to automate the recurring process, but with the help of Journey Builder, we will be able to define cross-platform journeys. Here you will see everything into Chinese. Let me switch to a different journey. Okay, you can create multi-step journeys, which I will be teaching you thoroughly. You will be creating a multi-step journey. This is actually a single step journey, but you can create a very complex journey here. Um, we can create very complex journeys here in order to I should say in order to solve our automation problem, marketing automation problem. So every company will face this marketing automation problem, guys. This is an era of automation. You have to make systems capable to read the data and analyze the data automatically and send the right communication to right customer at right time. So guys, all these things you will be able to create on Marketing Cloud. So these all are the components of journeys. There are some entry sources like API, event. We will see everything in detail. These are some messaging activities like WhatsApp message, email, inbox, push notifications, in-app message. And there are some flow control activities to define logic in your journey, like splits, engagement split, business split, part optimizer. There's some Einstein activities like Einstein send time optimization, frequency split. We will see in detail. There are some sales and service cloud activities we will see in details when we define a journey. So guys, after we have defined journey, we have contact builder. Contact builder, which is this actually I should have covered first before defining any email and journey. This contact builder is used or will help us to create our data model. What is data model? The design, the data which you want to have, which you want to store in your, I should say, system. That data model will help you to read and analyze the data present into that model. So we will be seeing two type of data models into Marketing Cloud: list-based data model and data extension or contact-based data model. So this is actually an example of contact-based data model. We will study how to create such type of data model so that it is capable enough to read and analyze the data and take the next best action. We'll be able to create this kind of data model, guys, on Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So guys, we will see everything in details when you will subscribe on this Salesforce Marketing Cloud training. So guys, that was all on Salesforce Marketing Cloud demo for today, and I will open window for questions if you have, and let me know if you want me to clarify any other topics here. Guys, any question, anything which you haven't understood, which you are not clear about the demo, let me know.
I just want to know, this is the Salesforce, or is it the Salesforce Cloud Services that we're going through?
Sorry?
This is the Salesforce development part of it, or I mean, I don't know if there is even a development in Salesforce. I mean, I missed a couple of classes. This is the first one I'm attending.
No, actually, this is a demo. We haven't started with training. We will start with actual class from tomorrow. So this platform contains both development and configuration. We will give you everything in detail, every knowledge which you require to get started your career on Marketing Cloud. Some development knowledge is required, but not actually necessary for you to acquire that. You can still work as a marketing cloud consultant. But if you have ambition to develop, to learn the development aspect of this platform, then I will give you that knowledge as well into training that would help you to become a developer as well. If you don't want to go into development, then that's fine. You can still work as a consultant or a specialist.
Okay. So when you say consultant, it's more like the product manager, business
Right,
analyst.
right, 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 right. Product manager, business analyst,
All right.
BA, yeah. Or if you want to become a developer or architect, then you have a different path. I will cover both paths, development and consulting, both paths.
As part of this training.
Yeah, right, right.
Okay. Thank you. And I think the studio builder or whatever is needed is all part of the 2 month access that you might
Right,
get
right,
for
right,
that.
right, right. You will get access to this the same
All right. All right. And after that, if we want to do something, is that something we can subscribe and get extended for like 6 months, 1 year or something?
right, right, right. You can contact us and we will get it subscribed for you.
All right. Thank
Yeah,
you.
but 2 months is enough for the practice, and then you can get a work for marketing cloud. You will again get their account access, the client's account access.
Okay. Okay. Correct. Correct. Thank you.
Hey, Harshit.
Right.
Actually, here what you mentioned, all studios and these all are will be covered, or is there any specific only you will be cover?
Image Studio, Mobile Studio, we will be covering. We will
Okay,
be covering Web Studio, parts of Interaction Studio, Advertising Studio, and Social Studio are not part of this curriculum because
okay.
Social Studio and Advertising Studio are not default product of Salesforce. They will ask for a separate login. They
Hmm.
though are visible here, but is actually a different product altogether. So in Marketing Cloud, you have 4 certifications. None of the certification will ask you concepts on Social Studio and Advertising Studio. These two are
Hmm.
actually a different product altogether.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
but all those which are required to clear 4 certifications, email specialist, developer, admin, and consultant, those 4 certification topics, all topics we will be covering here.
okay. All journey builders
Right.
also you will be cover,
Right.
right?
Journey, these all studio builders, journey builder, content builder, analytics builder, app exchange, setup, everything we will cover. Email studio, mobile studio, we will see in detail. Everything
Okay,
we will study on AMP script, development languages, everything we
okay,
will study. Yeah.
Yeah.
okay. Uh, Actually, I'm looking for only development side. That it's you will cover complete, right? Or is there any other part for development? And
Development, I will cover AMP script basics, Salesforce integrations, triggered sends, APIs, all these are
okay,
covered here.
okay,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. That's my question. Yeah. Actually, that integration part, those all are you will be
Right.
covered, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Mm, okay. Uh, and one quick last question, and this one. Can we get any end-to-end examples or any live examples kind of things? Live means I can't say any live, but it's end-to-end kind of. Uh, can you show or how I can expect that kind of environment experience?
Yeah, the live example I already showed you, that email part which I was showing. So ideally you have to design some messages. The end goal of this marketing cloud is to send emails, SMS, and communication.
Okay,
And automation strategies you will have to define here. The end goal is to send the communication to your customer. So I saw you that if based on the requirement you can create dynamic emails and cloud pages. This 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 was actually a dynamic email. I will let you know how to code this. Uh, this is actually using an AMP script, but this is actually a dynamic example or dynamic invoice which we have created. Okay, it is actually simple, no design part is involved, but the functionality is working fine. So based on the person who receives this email who have made purchased on Flipkart, the value will change. And this is a link of cloud page. This is also developed programmatically. Let me see if I am able to open that. So the cloud page, the survey page we have created locally.
Mhm.
That email we have designed using AMP script. This cloud page we have designed using AMP script. So this was actually the code of the cloud page which we have written. And yeah, and this is the URL which is generated for a particular cloud page. This, and when we submit the data, suppose 5, suppose 100 we submit. Here it is asking 1 to 5, but I don't have any condition applied here. So we can submit any value. If we submit this data will be stored locally into a data extension. We will see what is data extension when we will design a data model for us. This is a small scenario, but we will be seeing plenty of other scenarios which I have already worked with different clients that I will try my best to show you. This form submit, this is actually a data table which we create into Salesforce, and the record which we have submitted here, this 100 is getting stored locally. So this is a short example where we have created a dynamic email as well as a dynamic cloud page. This is also a dynamic, small but dynamic cloud page, like whomsoever opens this cloud page is populating their records, asking us to submit the feedback form. So these type of contents we have to develop, such type of strategies we have to develop, that I will show you in details. But this is what I can show as of now as a part of demo.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
So guys, don't worry, I will be covering everything. If somebody doesn't know the development part as well, I will make it easy for you to start development, because it is not at all difficult. The only thing is we don't know the concepts. That is why people find difficult to work on development tasks. But I will make it easy for you guys to understand how the development works. Development contains plenty of things. It also involves integration. It also involves AMP script development, HTML, CSS. So I will be providing brief knowledge on everything. Any other questions, guys? So guys, I hope you really liked this session, and I request you to subscribe in large numbers so that we can start as soon as possible. We haven't started our training. We were waiting for you people to join in. Probably from tomorrow we are going to start. So guys, please subscribe if you really want to work on marketing automation. If you want to look on what is beyond digital marketing. There is a lot of hype in digital marketing, but that is actually nothing. We have real concept called marketing automation. It is pure strategy based automation, and you will become a marketing automation consultant in future. And this marketing automation marketing domain won't last any time, won't get outdated. More and more techniques will come to automate the processes in marketing domain. So guys, this platform will help you earn nice chunk of money till next 10 to 15 years, that I can guarantee. You can, if you want to focus on the same single platform, don't want to learn any other thing, just start and learn Salesforce Marketing Cloud by heart. uh, let's start together from tomorrow or whenever our batch starts, and we will be able to learn every aspects of marketing automation, and then you can take nice handsome jobs and handsome salaries, and you can pursue your career, a long term career on marketing automation or on Salesforce Marketing Cloud, guys. Thanks. I will be wrapping up now, and have a lovely day, guys. You can, if you have any queries, you can check with the institution. However, they will also reach from their end as well. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.